Arcade AI just hit the market, and if you're wondering if it's worth your time, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. By the end of this video, you'll have all the info you need to decide if Arcade AI is a game changer or not for your digital marketing strategy. But before we dive in, make sure you check out the first link in the description below to try Arcade AI for completely free, no strings attached. Arcade AI promises to simplify and streamline your workflow with cutting-edge AI technology that adapts to your needs. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, Arcade AI integrates a powerful suite of tools designed for marketers, creators, and businesses. The software combines several AI capabilities like content generation, design automation, and data analysis into one platform, which is something that's rare in AI software today. This all-in-one approach saves time and reduces the need for juggling multiple tools, which can be a huge productivity boost. One standout feature is its content creation tool. With Arcade AI, you can quickly generate copy for emails, blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts. The AI tailors its suggestions based on your niche and target audience, which means you get relevant, high-quality content without having to write it all from scratch. It's also fully customizable, so you can adjust tone, style, and more to fit your brand voice. Next up, the design features in Arcade AI are impressive. This isn't just about generating text. Arcade AI helps with creating visuals like social media graphics and ad banners by analyzing your content and automatically generating design suggestions. You won't have to rely on expensive design software anymore because Arcade AI does it all in a matter of minutes. When it comes to analyzing data, Arcade AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to provide actionable insights. The software tracks how your content is performing across various platforms, making recommendations to optimize engagement. For marketers, this means you get a quick snapshot of what's working and what's not, allowing you to make data-driven decisions without wasting time on guesswork. Another thing worth mentioning is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to AI software, Arcade AI makes it easy to navigate through its tools. The clean design and simple layout make it accessible for both beginners and experienced marketers alike. You won't be overwhelmed with a cluttered interface or a steep learning curve. One feature that sets Arcade AI apart is its ability to scale with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Arcade AI offers flexibility. It grows with you, offering advanced features as you need them, but it doesn't overwhelm you with options you'll never use. This scalability ensures that it remains useful as your business expands. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how accurate and reliable is Arcade AI? Well, from my experience, the software does a solid job of producing quality content and actionable insights, but like any AI, it's not perfect. While it's an excellent tool to boost efficiency, it's important to review the AI suggestions to ensure they align with your specific brand needs. So, while Arcade AI can save you hours of work, you should still be involved in the creative and strategic process. Finally, one of the biggest selling points of Arcade AI is its affordability. For what it offers, comprehensive content generation, design automation, and data analysis, the pricing is competitive with other AI software on the market. Plus, with the free trial, you can test it out and see if it's the right fit before committing. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Arcade AI is one I can genuinely recommend for marketers looking to boost productivity without sacrificing quality. But remember, you can try it for free through the first link below. If you're still on the fence about Arcade AI, don't forget to check out my list of recommended AI software in the description. I've personally tested these tools and found them to be the most effective in the industry. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore the free trials linked below to see for yourself which software works best for your business.